Why are school fire drills absolute chaos? Like, bro, you'll be in the middle of a dead silent math test,
Completely locked in.
then suddenly, the loudest,
Most ear-splitting alarm
in human history
goes off. It's not a bell, it's a full-blown jump scare.
Everyone jolts up like they just got struck by...
by lightning.
And the teacher, with zero urgency, just sighs and says,
Okay, line up.
and there's always that one kid who sprints out the door like,
He's the main character.
bro, calm down, you're not getting a medal for this.
So the entire school has to file outside.
And it's always on the...
Coldest day of the year.
You're standing there in a t-shirt shivering.
While the wind is trying to send you to...
To another dimension.
You're supposed to be silent,
But you're surrounded by goofballs arguing about...
Whether water is wet.
and you see half the class on their phones frantically looking up the answers to the test we were just taking.
And the teachers are trying to do a head count in a giant disorganized crowd of...
500 students
It's like they're trying to count ants at a picnic. You know for a fact if this was a real fire,
The school and everyone...
would have been cooked.
this is not a plan. It's just organized.
Confusion.
And the worst part is when you finally get the all clear and go back inside, you've completely forgotten everything you knew for the test. My brain isn't just cooked. It's been flash frozen and then reset to factory settings. All for a drill that taught us nothing.